How to turn on captions on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on captions on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and now click on accessibility and click on the last option, which is captions. And now turn off or on this option and look at this picture, and they tell you that caption will look like this, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to like.